We're now in Tagaytay, entering in the picnic group kasi nga mukhang sarado na doon sa may Taal volcano when it was erupted. So, the horse riding there is not in service kasi nga the Taal volcano was erupted. So, to feel the moment here in Tagaytay, syempre, horse riding. Oh, we go around and round this area para naman for my vlog today, and horse riding ang ating adventure today. Siguro naman, while paikot-ikot tayo dito, masasanay na ako. Mamaya patatakbuhin natin to, girl. Oh, ambitious, ha? Mamaya, we're going to run. Hopefully, I can do it. So, by practicing for 5 times, going round, and oh, ayan na girl. May unti-unti na natin pinapatakbo. Aba, mayabang ito. Sige ka. Kakatakot kaya. Mamaya, malaglag ka dyan. You need more time to practice. Sige lang. Oh, tumakbo na nga siya. Sipa pa. Hiya! Tigrig, 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 tigrig. Oh, I'm enjoying, by the way, with my family, taking horse riding. Ako lang ang kinukuna ng cameraman ko, hindi yung mga kasama ko.